For someone who doesn't know industrial management, I'm studying mathematics, economics, and leaderships, also entrepreneurship, logistics, and international trade law, financial accounting. Yeah, many more.
If you study industrial management, there's huge opportunities to find work here because it's so diverse. You get a good understanding of many things, and then you can also decide what are most interesting for you and start to focus on that also in your studies. So I think it's a really good platform to stand on if you have studied industrial management. Kokkola Industrial Park, this is an area where we have almost 80 companies. 20 of them approximately are producing or refining a product, and it's in inorganic chemistry that we are talking about. The harbor also is really huge here. We have a lot of traffic, and 2,300 people work here. So we are open for everyone in that sense.
During the third year, I can do mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and management subject, which is really awesome.
Well, in KIP, my original studies is science, and I'm very interested in all the industry, etc. So I love the place as such because of the activity there is here. But specifically what's interesting here is the diversity, that you don't just have one company doing one thing, and therefore I think you have lots of opportunities and possibilities of development.
I would say during studying that there is, even for international students, there is work placement where you can choose a company. You can apply through Centria, which is really good for a student because they can have real experience working.
We have a lot of students, of course, that come here on internships. They are usually from chemistry. Of course, also that's the main focus in this area. The main focus for next year will be here to open up more opportunities for everyone to come on internships and so on. And I would say that the best way to get a workplace in the end is to come on an internship. And then you can get a summer job when your studies are finished. Then you can apply for a job. And since you're known, you have the contacts. So it's really important that you try to get this opportunity to come on an internship. In general, we offer production work, working maybe in HR, marketing, sales. Really big field here is laboratory tasks. Of course, also the production management is maybe the biggest in general here. And also safety and environment tasks are really important here.
From a practical point of view, you don't need Finnish. It's really possible to use only English. I never had any problems with the language. For a foreigner, they should not be stuck on the language. Of course, they will need the Finnish maybe later, but English, they can manage with it.
Most of the people understands what you say when you speak English, for example. It's not something that will block you out of the work market. Don't block yourself out of the opportunities that you might have just because of language barriers that you maybe feel that is there, but they are not maybe there.